Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're reviewing RocketVideos.ai. RocketVideos AI is an AI-powered video creation platform aimed for helping creators, marketers, educators, and freelancers produce high-quality videos quickly. It enables users to convert ideas into animated content using customizable templates and AI-generated voiceover, all at one-time purchase price with optional upgrade modules. So you get multiple creation modes like start from templates, blank canvas, URL to video, or AI-generated scripts. Drag and drop editor, which includes access to 1.5 million stock assets, animations, icons, fonts, and music library. Commercial use license included in the base plan, ideal for marketing or client content, and extendable suite via upsells, Elite, Pro, Rocket Studio, Rocket Voices, and white label license for resale, with a one-time price model which starts around $37 to $95 with a 30-day money-back guarantee. But the premium voiceover via upsell are realistic voices like 11 Labs, which require buying the Rocket Voices add-on. It is not native monthly subscription, may lack some advanced tools found in platforms like Runway or Hailuo. Also, quality limitations, visual fidelity and editing precision may lag behind enterprise-grade AI tools. So, RocketVideos AI is an appealing one-time purchase video creation platform designed for marketers, freelancers, and small businesses seeking fast, scalable content output. With its blend of AI automation, visual assets, and editing tools, it delivers strong value, especially for those looking to produce frequent social media content without ongoing subscription costs. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.